Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to do a Sunday reset. I love doing this on Sunday because this just helps me to prepare myself for the busiest day out of the week, which is Monday for me, and I don't have to worry or stress about it on that day. I already am doing it beforehand, which is just tidying up the house, which is the main areas of the room, my bedroom, the living room, and the kitchen, and as well as doing laundry. But so yeah, so with that being said, I would love for you to take a moment to go subscribe, like this video, so that way it can further let me know that you are enjoying this type of content. And I also wanted to say that I'm doing it differently on this video. I'm not going to be playing any music, cleaning music in the background. I just wanted you to experience the real life cleaning. But so yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy it. So I usually like to do my bed first thing when I wake up, because if I don't, it would be the last thing that I do, or I probably wouldn't even do it during that day, which I despise because I love when my bed is made. But so yeah, so that I'm just out of breath right now from fluffing those pillows and folding this big old blanket. Any one of y'all have one of these Mexican blankets? I actually have two of them, and one was my husband bought this one for me, and we have a red one that my mother-in-law also gifted to us for our wedding day. But anyways, that is why I'm out of breath right now. But so yeah, so like I said, this is the first thing that I like to do in my bedroom, is make my bed. And it's not that much of a mess, which I'm just going to sweep up a little bit here. As you guys can tell, it is dirty, and I'm just going to put this load in, take that load out, and there is also a load in here that needs to be taken out as well. But so yeah, so let's just go ahead and get that started. Here is the red blanket that I was telling you guys about, the big old comfy, warm, fuzzy Mexican blanket that I think all us Mexicans have in our household. And that is what's going in the dryer today. do a little wipe down. It isn't that dirty because I had already deep cleaned my kitchen the other day. And I don't know about you guys, but I always tend to, when I wipe down my counters or my table, I just throw it on the floor. I know some people usually just do it like this, catch it, and then dump it out, but not me. I just tend to throw it on the floor because anyways, once we throw everything on the floor, I go back and sweep and mop. All right, so in the living room, there is not that much of a mess. I'm just going to tidy up real quick. And I have those hangers out because I've been doing lots and lots of laundry since yesterday, which is pretty much all weekend long. And I'm just going to vacuum my sectionals because it's been quite a minute that I've done that. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. So, because normally I do it every Sunday, um, but lately, I'm not gonna lie here, I've been kind of slacking off on that. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove that and start vacuuming. As I sit here editing while I fluff these pillows, I have a video coming up next. After this video, I'm going to decorate for Valentine's. Not too much. I just want to keep it very minimalist, but I had something behind the back of my mind, and that is, do you guys decorate for Valentine's? I normally never really did that, but I kind of getting myself into that trend of where I'm decorating for Valentine's. But anyways, but yeah, so that's what's on the back of my mind is I am wondering, do you guys decorate for Valentine's, or is it just like Christmas and Thanksgiving and that sort of thing? But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you got some type of cleaning motivation, any type of motivation, honestly, in my video. I love to put out that kind of content is to help other women like myself as a stay-at-home mom or even a working mom, and you feel like you don't have the time or the energy to clean up your space. And Sundays is the best time to do it, really. Honestly, the Sunday reset just helps you better prepare yourself for the upcoming week as well as for your busy Mondays, because let's just get real, Mondays are super busy and sometimes we get things thrown at us that we're not prepared for. And I feel like just a Sunday reset is just to get your mind together as well as getting your kids ready for Monday school and work and whatnot. But yeah, so that's what this video is all about, is just Sunday reset and just getting ready for the upcoming week. And but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and as well as if you would give me a like on this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, this will help me so much as my channel as well. But so yeah, so I have nothing else to say except I love you guys and I wish you a beautiful blessed Sunday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.